This one goes out to everyone in corporate America. Hello?
Hey, it's John from the office. Listen, I'm gonna have to go ahead and ask you to come in on Sunday. We gotta play some catch up. And by the way, we're gonna be disconnecting your instant messenger as we've noticed some abuse. See you then, buddy.
This cubicle. Let me out! This cubicle. Get me out! This cubicle. So stressed out. Let me out! Get me out! This cubicle. Let me out! This cubicle. Get me out! This cubicle. So stressed out. Let me out! I've had enough! Another morning, wish I could stay dead in bed. Pretend to be Ferris Bueller again, but I'm forced to get up out of sick days. I'm a grown man with grown responsibilities. Put on this necktie, tie it tight. Smiles I choke, gotta look right. Hit the gas for the morning commute. Dangerous drivers ready to shoot. Walk to my cheap office wheelchair, spinning in circles, going nowhere. Got sore eyes from this monitor glare. Stare and I stare and you just don't care. F these corporate policies. No CDs, no MP3s. You block me in every way possibly, but now there's no one stopping me. This cubicle. Let me out! This cubicle. Get me out! This cubicle. So stressed out. Let me out! Get me out! This cubicle. Let me out!
I'm just calling to follow up.
This cubicle. So stressed out. Let me out! I've had enough! But yo, I'm just trying to get ahead. Get rid of my restless syndrome leg. Will I ever see the light of day? Got Windows, Windows XP. State my opinion, and I'm gone. Go post my job on monster.com. But someday I'll have it my way. A complete paid 6-month holiday. I'll take the corporate car for a corporate ride. Hit up the club on corporate time. Then I'll tie the boss down to a chair. Wave those staple guns in the air. Drink a bottle of Jack. Playing this rap as we all get smashed. Then we'll drench the office in alcohol. Like the match, watch the cubicles fall. This cubicle. Let me out! This cubicle. Get me out! This cubicle. So stressed out.
Yeah, I'm just calling to follow up.
This cubicle.
I just wanted to touch base with you.
Get me out! This cubicle. So stressed out. Let me out! I've had enough!
I just wanted to touch base with you.